Let me ask Mollika and Vijaya. Now, this I have asked you before when you did the treatment of your hair. But now the question is different. So, you all have done the smoothening and keratin, all the treatment, right? Botox treatment. Many people, they don't know what is Botox treatment. Botox of face, we know that you inject something and it pumps up like that. But let's talk about hair Botox. What is hair Botox? Okay, so who will say? You will say? You have done it? You must.
Actually, when I went to salon and I did hair smoothing. My hair could not take the smoothing medicine treatment. They said, ma'am, you can try Botox treatment, and I agree that so they apply Botox.
They applied. I agreed. They applied Botox.
Creams. Actually, Botox help your hair.
Botox makes your hair manageable, smooth, and healthy. Okay.
Smooth and healthy, and the treatment provides your hair protein and silk. This makes your hair better. I have completed 1 month, and my hair result was so good. I satisfied this.
I am satisfied. Okay, well tried, Vijaya. You have managed quite a bit. So now my question for Mollika. After the treatment, tell me one thing that the stylists, they generally say that this treatment will last for 1 year, maybe 2 years, maybe 6 months. So what did they actually say, and what is the current status of your hair?
So I did this permanent smoothing and pro-keratin treatment, and obviously the pro-keratin treatment is not for permanently. It's only for 6 months. If you wash your hair too much, like oftenly, like 3 days or 2 days, so then your the treatment washed away. So then it's almost 3 months it goes, and the smoothing depends on your hair growth and how you are treating your hair, how you are maintaining, how the spa and the shampoo and hair mask you are applying. So it's depend on how you care about it. So almost if your hair doesn't grow that much, so it doesn't visible that much. That chemical or treatment smoothen your hair, and it break the bond of hair and it make it straight. And I had a very curly hair. It's too much curly, so if my hair goes back, the new baby born hair, it's definitely the curly one, so then I have to take the treatment again.
Okay, yes. Obviously, so we understood this, right? So overall it's going good. That's amazing. All right.